Hi guys, this is Mr.Z and I'm going to solve SAT math questions today. College Board Practice Test 1 Section 3. Let's get started. Question 1. If x minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to k and k is equal to 3, what is the value of x? Okay, to solve this question for x, guys, first of all, we need to change the k with 3 in the equation. X minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 3. And we multiply the guys 3 by 3. X minus 1 makes 9. X is equal to 10. Correct answer is D. Question 2. For I is equal to square root of negative 1, what is the sum? 7 plus 3i plus negative 8 plus 9i. So to solve this question, guys, all we need to do is open the brackets and combine the like terms. Okay, so 7 plus 3i, first group of numbers, and then the second group of numbers, guys, plus times negative makes negative, negative 8, plus times plus positive. So positive 9i. Then we combine the like terms. 7 minus 8 makes negative 1. 3i plus 9i makes 12i. Correct answer is A. Question 3. On Saturday afternoon, Armand sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours and Tyrone sent P text messages each hour for 4 hours. Which of the following represents the total number of messages sent by Armand and Tyrone on Saturday afternoon? So first of all, guys, let us write the all given information in the question. So text messages for Armand as M, number of the all text messages for Armand M. And time is, guys, 5 hours, so total is going to be 5m. And then for Tyrone, number of the text messages P, total, the time is, guys, 4 hours, and the total is going to be, guys, 4p. And once we, guys, add them all together, it'll be, guys, 5m plus 4p, which is C. Next question, question 4. Katie is a repair technician for a phone company. Each week she receives a batch of the phones that need repairs. The number of phones that she has left to fix at the end of each day can be estimated with the equation P is equal to 108 minus 23D, where P is the number of the phones left and D is the number of the days she has worked that week. What is the meaning of the value 108 in this equation? So what we know, guys, she receives a batch of the phones that need repairs. So this is, guys, already given in the question. So it starts the, guys, repairs in the beginning of the, guys, week. Repair the, guys, 108 phones. So Kate starts each week with 108 phones to fix, which is B. And the next question, question 5. For this question, guys, we have like 2 polynomials in the brackets. So all we need to do, guys, we just need to open the brackets again and to combine the like terms. For the first group of numbers, or first polynomial, guys, we have x squared y minus 3y squared plus 5xy squared. For the, guys, second polynomial, since we have, guys, a negative sign in front of the brackets, we have to, guys, switch the signs. So all negatives become positive, all positives become negative. So what we can do, negative x squared y becomes positive xy, and then positive 3xy squared becomes negative 3xy squared, and then negative 3y squared becomes positive 3y squared. And so what we need to do, guys, we are going to add them up all together. So this and this are, guys, similar, guys, terms, like terms. So once you, guys, add them up all together, it'll be, guys, 2x squared y. And this, these 2 terms, guys, like terms. So 5xy squared minus 3xy squared makes 2xy squared. And these 2 cancel out each other, guys. And the correct answer is, guys, C. Question 6. In this question, guys, a pediatrician uses the model above to estimate the height age of a boy in inches in terms of the boy's age A in years between the ages of 2 and 5. Based on the model, what is the estimated increase in inches of boy's height each year? So what we need to find out, basically, we need to find out, guys, rate of the change. And this is the, guys, our equation. It is just like, guys, y is equal to mx plus b form. So m, guys, represents here slope or rate of change, and same as our, guys, our equation. So 3 is going to be, guys, rate of change or slope change, same as this one. Okay, so the number in front of the A represents the guy's rate of change of the boy's height, which is 3. Okay, question 7. For question 7, guys, we have an equation, and we need to write this equation, guys, in the term of, we need to solve this question for P, guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys an easier example. Let's say if M is equal to, guys, A over B times P, then this is the way, guys, how you can solve the question for B, for P. So all you need to do, guys, you will just transfer the A over B to the other side, and you will flip the fraction, and you will multiply it, guys, by M. So P is going to be equal to B over A times M. So we do, guys, same thing here. All you need to do, guys, you will just flip the guy's fraction and transfer it, guys, to the other side, and you will multiply it by M. Once you guys flip the fraction and transfer it to the other side and multiply it by, guys, M, you will see that, guys, the correct answer is B. Okay, now question 8. For question 8, guys, first we write the, guys, A in the term of B. A is equal to, guys, 2 times B, which is 2B. And then we can solve the question. 4B divided by A is 2B. 4B over 2B is equal to 2, which is C. Question 9. And we should solve this equation system, guys, for x and y. We have to, guys, eliminate one of these variables. It's totally up to you, guys. I will choose x. I will, guys, eliminate x variables here. So I will multiply the, guys, second equation by 3. Okay, so I will rewrite the first equation. Then I'll multiply the second one by 3. 2y times 3 is 6y. Then minus 3x is equal to negative 19 times 3 is equal to negative 57. And you will just add them up all together, guys. 3x and negative 3x cancel out each other. 4y plus 6y makes 10y. 10y is equal to negative 80. And y is equal to, guys, negative 8. Okay, once you, guys, plug it in, you will see that, guys, x is going to be equal to 3, which is B. Okay, now question 10. Question 10. So we are given a function, guys, function g of x, which is ax squared plus 24. For the function g defined above, a is the constant, and g of 4 is equal to 8. What is the value of g of negative 4? So we do not know, guys, what is a. To find out the, guys, the value of a, first we use the, guys, our first function g of 4. G of 4, which is equal to a times 4 squared plus 24 is equal to 8. This information is already given in the question, guys. So using this information, guys, we can find out the value of a. For a times 4 squared, which is 16, 16a plus 24 is equal to 8. 16a is equal to, guys, 8 minus 24, which is negative 16. A is equal to negative 1. I know, guys, what is a now. I write my function. G of x is equal to a, which is negative 1. Negative x squared plus 24. Okay, so I can find out the g of negative 4. I will just change the, guys, x with negative 4. So negative x, which is negative 4, squared plus 24. So negative 4 makes, guys, 16. Negative 16 plus 24 makes, guys, 8. So the correct answer is, guys, A. Now, question 11. For this question, guys, we have equations for the price of beef and chicken, and B for, guys, for the beef, C for chicken, and then the X represents the, guys, weeks. So what was the price per pound of beef when it was equal to price per pound of chicken? If they are supposed to be, guys, equal, then you will make these equations equal, guys. 2.35 plus 0.25x is going to be equal to 1.75 plus 0.40x. And you just need to solve this equation, guys, for x. So I will, guys, transfer the 0.25x to the right-hand side and 1.75 to the left-hand side. So 0.40x minus 0.25x makes 0.15x, which will be equal to 2.35 minus 1.75. It makes 0.60. And once you, guys, divide both sides by 0.15, x makes 4. But this is not the final answer. We need to find out, guys, price per pound of chicken. So I will just place the x into this function, guys. 1.75 plus 0.40 times 4. So if you multiply these numbers and add it, guys, to 1.75, it makes, guys, 3.35, which is D. Next question, question 12. A line in the xy plane passes through the origin and has a slope of 1/7. Which of the following points lies on the line? So what do we need to do, guys, here? We can find guys an answer guys by trying each answer choices. The correct answer is going to be guys D. It's because guys origin is 0 and 0. And to find out the guy's slope, we can use this formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2, these are going to be guys x2 and y2, and these points are going to be x1 and y1. So y2 minus y1 is going to be guys 2 minus 0, and x2 minus x1 is going to be guys 14 minus 0, which makes 2 over 14. Once you simplify it, it's going to be 1 over 7, as we have in our guys question. So the correct answer is D. Next question, question 13. Okay, so if x is greater than 3, which of the following equivalent? So let's solve this question, guys. X is greater than 3. Okay, so first of all, guys, to solve this question, we multiply each denominator by the denominators by each other. X plus 2 times x plus 3, x plus 3 times x plus 2. So it'll be, guys, 1 divided by x plus 3 plus x plus 2 divided by x plus 3 times x plus 2. It is just like this, guys. 1 over a divided by b makes b over a. So you will just, guys, flip the second fraction. Okay, so I will do the same thing, guys. Once you flip the guys second fraction here, it'll be x plus 3 times x plus 2 divided by x plus x makes 2x, and 3 plus 2 makes, guys, 5. Okay, so let us check the answers, guys. We can multiply them still using the FOIL rule. X plus 3 times x plus 2 makes, guys, x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by 2x plus 5, which will be B. And then next question, question 14. 3x minus y is equal to 12. What is the value of 8 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of y? Okay, so let's solve it. So 2 to the power of x can be written in this form. 2 to the power of, guys, 3x, and divided by 2 to the power of y. And you guys, once you divide these two numbers, you will get 2 to the power of 3x minus y. 3x minus y is already given in the question. It makes, guys, 12. So it will be equal to, guys, 2 to the power of 12. You will just change the 3x minus y with 12. It is A. And now next question, question 15. If ax plus 2 times bx plus 7 is equal to 15x squared plus cx plus 14 for all values of x, and a plus b is equal to 8, what are the two possible values for c? So you will just, guys, multiply these two factors using the FOIL rule, and it'll make, guys, a bx squared 7 ax plus 2bx plus 14. Okay, and it'll be, guys, equal to 15x squared plus cx plus 14. Okay, you just need to, guys, match up the numbers here. So what do we need to do? I know that, guys, 14 is equal to 14, and 15 is equal to, guys, ab, and we can write these two numbers, guys, just like this, as is the common, x is the common factor, so x times 7a plus 2b. Okay, so, and the x is going to be equal to, guys, 7a plus 2b. Okay, so let us write this, let us use, guys, x sign rule. So we have, guys, two numbers, and the product of, guys, these two numbers is 15, and the sum of, guys, these two numbers is 8. It is given in the question, as you see, guys, here. A plus b is equal to 8, and a times b is equal to 15. So you have two options. These two numbers can be, guys, 3 and 5, or 5 and 3. Okay, so we have two options, two combinations. For these two combinations, guys, we are going to find out the c. And let us use a different color. So c is, as you know, guys, 7a plus 2b. I'll find the, guys, first possible values of, guys, c, which is 7 times a. A might be, guys, 3, and b is going to be, guys, 5 in this case. So 7 times 3 plus 2 times 5 makes 21 plus 10, 31. And C2, this time A is going to be 5, B is going to be 3, guys. 7 times 5 plus 2 times 3, 35 plus 6 makes 41. So we have two possible values of values for C. One is, guys, 31, the other one is, guys, 41. Correct answer is D. Okay, next questions, free response questions, guys. Okay, for this question, guys, if question 16, if t is greater than 0 and t squared minus 4 is equal to 0, what is the value of t? So t squared minus 4 is equal to 0. T squared is going to be 4, and there will be, guys, two possible values of t. One is, guys, negative 2, the other one is, guys, positive 2. So what we know, guys, t is greater than 0, so t cannot be, guys, negative 2. There is only one value of t, guys, which is 2. And question 17, for this question, guys, we are going to use the, guys, similarity. The summer camp counselor wants to find a length x in feet across a lake as represented in the sketch above. The lengths represented by AB, EB, BD, and CD on the sketch were determined to be 1,800 feet, 1,400 feet, 700 feet, and 800 feet, respectively. Segments AC and DE intersect at B, and angle AEB and angle CDB have the same measure. What is the value of x? So I wrote, guys, all the given information, guys, on the figure. So we need to find out the, guys, x fit here. So what we know, guys, angle E is congruent to angle D, and the angle B is the, guys, the common angle. So these two angles are, guys, vertical angles, then they are going to be, guys, congruent also. So if two pairs of angles are congruent for these two triangles, guys, using the, guys, third angle theorem, we can say that third angles must be, guys, congruent. So angle A is congruent to angle C. So these two triangles are going to be, guys, similar triangles. If they are similar, guys, then the corresponding sides are going to be, guys, proportional. So what does that mean? So we can use this, guys. So the sides opposite the, guys, corresponding angles are going to be proportional. Suppose this angle, I don't need to use this one, I think. Wait a minute. Okay. So I can use this side and this side. These two sides are, guys, opposite the congruent corresponding angles. Then they are going to be, guys, proportional. Suppose opposite the angle A, we have, guys, side EB. So EB is 1,400, and the opposite, guys, angle C is 700. And 1,400 divided by 700, guys, makes 2. Then the scale factor is going to be, guys, 2. So we can use the, guys, same scale factor for the, guys, other corresponding guys, sides. So this angle D, and not angle D this time, sorry, angle B and angle B. These two angles are, guys, corresponding angles, so they are going to be, guys, proportional, and the quotient of these two, guys, the sides, opposite sides, are going to be, guys, 2. So what we can say, guys, so for the larger triangle, guys, the opposite of angle B is, guys, x fit x divided by, and the opposite of the, guys, angle B for the smaller triangle is 800. It'll be equal to 2. So x is going to be equal to 2 times 800, which makes, guys, 1,600. Okay, so we have 3 questions left. And for question 18, guys, you will solve the question, guys, for x. So we need to, guys, get rid of the, guys, the y variables. That's why, guys, we need to multiply the first equation by negative 2, because we have positive 2y in the second equation. Multiply by negative 2. Okay, so I will rewrite them. So negative 2x minus 2y is equal to negative 9 times negative 2 makes positive 18. And then x plus 2y is equal to negative 25. Then these two are going to be cancelled out, guys. Negative 2x plus x is equal to negative x. Negative x is equal to 18 plus negative 25, which makes negative 7. So x is going to be equal to 7. For question 19, guys, in a right triangle, one angle measures x degrees where sine of x degrees is equal to 4/5. What is cosine of 90 minus x? So if two angles are in a right triangle, if two angles are complete, guys, 90 degrees, complementary angles, let's say complementary angles, one is, guys, x, the other one is 90 minus x, then, guys, sine of one angle is equal to, guys, cosine of its complementary angle, which is sine of x is equal to cosine of 90 minus x. If sine of x, guys, is equal to 4/5, then cosine of 90 minus x is going to be same, 4/5. Again, I would like to, guys, repeat this part. If in a right triangle, guys, if two angles are complementary angles, then sine of one angle is going to be, guys, equal to cosine of its complementary angles. angle. So cosine of 90 minus x is going to be same as sine of x, which is 4 over 5. Last question, question 20. So a is equal to 5 square root of 2, 2a is equal to square root of 2x, and what is the value of x? So how we can solve this question? All you need to do, guys, you will just change the a with 5 square root of 2. 2 times 5 square root of 2 makes, guys, square root of 2x. So you can write the square root of 2x as square root of 2 times square root of x. So what we can do is to cancel out, guys. 2 times 5 makes 10. So square root of x is equal to 10. X is going to be equal to 100. That's it. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.